Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install these updates, that is KB5067036 or KB5067931 because of these error codes. So if you're receiving one of these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to pause and restart the update. So go to Windows Update in Windows Settings, and then over here you can see pause, hit pause over here. And once paused, resume updates and then check. Still not working, start these services. Now for this you can type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find app readiness in the list, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness, then click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down, here you can see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, then make a right click and then click on restart. Now you can try to update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can update. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft Update Catalog website. And the link is provided in the video description. And over here, write down the name of the update. Suppose if you are receiving the error with this update, that is KB5067036, then write down this update. Or if you are receiving error with KB5067931, then you can write down this update. So write down the update and then click on search. Now let me check, let me translate, let me change the language. Now you have to check your version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. And over here you can see my version is version 25H2. Check your version, then open Windows settings, go to system and then go to about option, scroll down about, check the system type. System type in my case is 64-bit. Now for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. This is the right one for me. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download and then click on this and click on the update KB5067036, and then you can download this file. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually. And once that is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update option. You can open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, advanced option, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. Now click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. And once this is done, restart your computer and then you can update your Windows 11. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file. Now once you run the exe file, click on accept over here and then click on next. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop Save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. And once the download is complete, you will see finish option. Hit finish. Let this close automatically. It will take few seconds or maybe a minute to close. Then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file. Then make a double click on setup file, run the setup file, click on yes to allow. Click on next and then click on accept over here. And then by default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.